Now we are going to bring everything together. We're going to do the exercise and the walkthrough just so you get a feel for CSS. So in this exercise, we're going to create our style.css in brackets. And again, the instructions for the exercise will be below in the video so you can follow along step by step. This is an opportunity to observe before you code. So just watch what we do, then code the exercise on your own. We're going to go into our inclusion folder. We're going to go into personal website. We're then going to drag personal website into brackets, and by now you know how to open brackets. The first thing we're going to do is create a folder called CSS. And there's two ways. We can right click in personal website and create a new folder here. Or within brackets we can right click, new folder, CSS. Then within CSS, this folder called CSS, we're going to make a new file. So click on this with brackets, click new file. We're going to call it style. And then we're going to use the extension CSS. So it's so important that this file is called style.css. Next, we're going to write a comment with just the words hello world. And there's two ways we can do this. We can just write the words and hit command slash or control slash and boom. Or we can manually write backslash and the little star asterisk hello world. Whatever your choice is. But know that there are keyboard shortcuts that will make coding easier. And in here, we're just going to paste in, or you can type in, the code to turn our background color red, and in the next unit we'll go into writing CSS rules so we can design our website. This is just an example for you to see CSS in action. Then we're going to hit File and Save. And then we are going to just preview this in our browser. But oops, notice that something went wrong. It is not red. This is a great opportunity for us to debug and see what went wrong. So I'm going to right click and inspect my code. Let's start with the head. Let's view our page source. Something is missing. Take a second to think about what is missing. You guessed it right. We forgot to link our style.css with our index.html. So right under our title tag, we're going to do link rel again, style sheet, href, css, style sheet. We're going to save it. We're going to preview it again. There we go. Our background is now red. So again, get in the habit of checking your code and make sure everything is working properly. And if there is a problem, the process to figure out the solution is called debugging, what we just did.